is you want the event to happen, event E to happen, but event E should happen only in conjecture with AK. One among the n events. I repeat. I will try to put it in simpler way. What is this? There are n events. An event E can happen with A1 or with A2 or with A3 or with AN. But you want the probability of event E happening with any one of the AN, not with all. If it is with all, it becomes a total probability. Okay. Now we will see the proof. Okay. Now here see, first probability of E is equal to sigma I equal 1 or rather k equal 1 to n probability of AK into probability of E given AK. This is by total probability, right? Then next probability of you want AK given E. This is nothing but probability of AK intersection E by probability of E. Probability of AK intersection E is nothing but sigma probability of E we have. So this is probability of AK into probability of E given AK summation k equal 1 to n. What about the numerator? Probability of E, probability of AK into probability of AK given E. So this is what? This is Bayes theorem. Now one problem on Bayes theorem. Yes, in a certain college, 25% of boys and 10% of girls are studying mathematics or maths. Girls constitute 60% of student strength. If a student is selected and found to be studying maths, what is the probability? That student is girl? This is a direct application of what we call the Bayes theorem. Now check the construction here. There are events, even events and E2 event. Even event is girl, E2 event is boy, and let us call M event. M event is a student studying mathematics. Okay. First, let us list out the events then. What are the events and what are the probabilities? Okay. Let us list the events. A1 boy studying maths. A2 girl studying maths. chosen student studying maths. Okay. Now, probability of A1. A selected student is a boy. That is nothing but the percentage of boys. Percentage of boys is 40% of boys. 40 by 100. 40% of boys are there. Strength of 40%, 60% of the strength is girls. It is mentioned. So 40% of the boys, and A2 percentage of the girls is 60. So 6 by 100. So then next, probability of E given A1. What do you mean by E given A1? What is the meaning of E given A1? E given A1 means, given a boy, what is the probability that he is studying mathematics? That in the problem it is given that 25%. So that becomes 25 by 100. And the probability of E given A2. What is the meaning of probability of E given A2? Given a girl, what is the probability that the girl is studying mathematics? According to the question, that is 10 by 100. Now, reread the question and you will find that, find the probability that the student is a girl. A student is selected, a student happened to studying mathematics, and you want it to be girl. So you need probability of A2 given E. So this is nothing but probability of E into probability of A2 into probability of E given A2 divided by probability of A1 into probability of E given A1 plus probability of A2 into probability of E given A2. Okay. Now we have to substitute the values and simplify. Substituting the values and simplify. Now here, what are the values here? 3 by 5 into 1 by 10 divided by 2 by 5 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 5 into 1 by 10, which amounts to 3 by 8. This is one of the application of the Bayes theorem. We will see one more question. A problem in calculus is given. A problem in calculus is given to two students. Chances of they solving the problem are 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Find the probability that the problem is solved if both of them try independently. Yes, this is a problem related to the independent events. What are the independent events? Let us recollect. Independent events are events such that the probability of happening of one event has no effect upon the happening of the other event. And how mathematically you are selecting, how mathematically A given B, probability of A given B should give you probability of A. What is the meaning of A given B? B had happened first, and after happening of B, A is happening. So